Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2016 Town & Country. Town & Country's V6 engine provides plenty of power while still providing the fuel efficiency you look for in a vehicle. Tow up to 3,600 pounds when your Town & Country is equipped with a towing prep package. Seat 7 comfortably and choose from stow and go seating or the innovative swivel and go seating, and is priced below $25,000. This vehicle has less than 25,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power liftgate, traction control, air conditioning, dual airbags, power steering, keyless start, hard disk drive media storage, 4-wheel disc brakes, rear window defroster, power windows. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.